Hello viewers, today I am going to teach you about URL, IP address and DNS. What is a IP address? It contains a unique set of number which is provided to each computer by Internet Engineering Task Force. It avoids transmission and connection error. The IP address is 32-bit, that is 4 octet. Octet 8, 8 into 4 is equal to 32-bit. A numeric address containing a set of 4 numbers which vary from 0 to 255, that is equal to 8. 8. That means 256 combination and separated by period. The IP address can directly be used to access the web page instead of typing domain name. Few examples of IP address are 205.198.0.1 and second is 132.45.10.6. So what is domain name? Second topic is domain name system. Why we require domain name system? Why we require the domain for any website? System in which domain name are interpreted into IP address. Like गूगल का IP address कुछ नंबर में होगा. Since the internet work only on IP address, why we put the IP address name? Because the internet always understand IP address, not the domain name. Domain name are easier to remember, like google.com. Then IP address, since name has a strong correlation with the website. The DNS servers as directly for the web directory for the web by locating and addressing devices in a worldwide network. DNS की डायरेक्टरी होती है जो उसमें DNS से डोमेन नेम से उसको लोकेट करती है नेटवर्क पे. To use Google search engine, the domain name is googleco.in. The domain name consists of two parts. One is domain name and after dot extension. The extension tell the kind of organization and country it belongs to it. Like co is the company and here Google is the domain name, co is the company and in is stand for India. In stand for India. Then some of the popular extension name is given as follows. अब हम लोग जनरली डोमेन नेम के साथ एक्सटेंशन नेम पाते हैं लेकिन समझ नहीं पाते किस लिए है. तो .gov इज़ फॉर गवर्नमेंट, .com इज़ फॉर कमर्शियल, .org इज़ फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, .edu इज़ फॉर एजुकेशन, .net इज़ फॉर नेटवर्क, .info इज़ फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन, .biz is for business, .mil is for US military and .asia is for Asia Pacific region, .mobi is equal to mobile device and .aero is for air transport industries. So many extensions are there which use for the different group. DNS also use country code to specify the country by using two letters in it. Its extension example of country code are as follows. Country code IN is for India, PK is for Pakistan, US for United States, UK is for United Kingdom and JP is for Japan. There are certain rules which must be kept in mind while deciding a domain name. It can have alphabet and numbers. Hyphen is the only special character allowed in a domain name. जैसे ब्रैकेट, स्पेस, हैश, डॉलर ये सब नहीं अलाउड है. A domain name cannot contain more than 64 characters. You cannot take more than 64 characters. Last but not the least, domain name must have valid domain extension और डोमेन नेम के साथ वैलिड एक्सटेंशन होना चाहिए, लाइक government.gov.net.com. Next when we come to know what is domain, then we must know what is URL, what is the address of the site through which we open any site. URL denotes the global address of the web documents and web resources. And what is a web document? A page which we write for a web is called web document, and web resource. Internet communication, it is a main reason for identifying a resource on the web. This communication between web user and internet resources is possible by identifying each resource on the internet in a standard manner. URL is same as URI, Uniform Resource Identifier, which is a string of a character that is used to identify the resources on the internet. An example of website URL is as follows. http://www.wikipedia.com. Do you know the wikipedia.com? It is a site in which you get the any topic, any details of any topic. The component of URL are as follows. There are URL made up of several components. First is a schema. The schema, this is the first part of the address, also known as a protocol identifier. In last lecture I told you a protocol, and very sorry that there is no voice, dim voice. I will rectify that, or I will make another video for that, so you can come to know what is a protocol. I am going through it on that video. In this case it is a HTTP. It tells to browser what protocol needs to be followed to pull up the address. Other frequently used schema are FTP or Mail2. FTP is for file transfer protocol, or Mail2 is for email protocol, which send the mail only. Then next come the host. In second part of the web address, identify the host. The host normally start with the www, that is World Wide Web, is a big server, whole world server through which we can get the information. This tells the browser the site located on the internet. If the web address is an intranet, it will not begin with the www because it is an internal website. I told you the three different things: internet, intranet and extranet. Internet is which is used in whole world. Intranet means any company use their personal web server, and extranet is means that company use that internet on other branch, and that is called extranet. It will not begin with the www because it is an internal website that can only be viewed by internal computers of an organization. The host is followed by the domain name, which may be of person, company or organization. For example, Google domain name is google.com. You always write Google, na? You won't write the IP address of the Google because it is easy to learn. The extension. All the extensions are mentioned and regulated by the Internet Corporation for assigned name and number. There is the corporation who give the domain name and called Internet Corporation for assigned names and number. As I told you the extension, same way they give the extension name. .gov for government, .com for commercial, .org for organization, .edu for education, as I told you above. Many more extension you will find on the website when you surf this website. The fourth part of the URL is path. This is last part of the URL. The path tells the browser that what file is to be used for domain directory. For example, code.html. You have made the site, but you haven't tell the particular page name. So path will tell you each and every page name by using whole path. Might be web page name contain quotation. इन्होंने एग्जाम्पल कोड डॉट हमने एग्जाम्पल कोड डॉट HTML का लिया हुआ है जिसमें कोड हो सकता है. और इन स्टार्टिंग आई हैव गिवन फुल पाथ लाइक http://www.wikipedia.com. अब सपोज यू वांट टू गिव हियर द नेम URL, then it will search for the URL and you will get url.html in which you will learn about the URL. So this is the way. One of my colleague asked me what is a URL, ma'am, and how we can find it. So I describe it today. Please Anjani sir, see this video and rectify your query. And Neeraj sir, please see for the voice rectification. Thank you all of you. Thank you all viewers. I am closing it. Please subscribe and like my channel if you like this video. Thank you.